You know, I never know how far I need to be from this mic in order to get the most optimal sound from my voice, but you know, sometimes you just gotta go wing it. Hey guys, I'm back with another video. This is going to be a very chill video. I've been doing lots of sketching recently. I should be doing more video essays, but you know, I'm tired. I need a break. So and there's sometimes I just need to do like art for myself here and there, and hence I did this sort of like sketch compilation, you know, this sketch dump of me just doodling some pictures I found on Pinterest and seeing if I could get like, you know, some good poses, some good faces, just, you know, brush up my art techniques. So yeah, this is not scripted. I sometimes feel the need to say that, even though I shouldn't, in case I'm muttering like an idiot. But you know, this is my channel and I sort of want to sort of do things at my own pace and like do what I want to do. So yeah, you know, I've been looking around on the art YouTube community, you know, just trying to get a grip on what everyone's doing and like, you know, in the art community, and you know, see what things people are doing, what people aren't doing, to see where I could, like, you know, put my mark in. And I've been noticing certain patterns, and I realized that a lot of people do like these cute, like nice vlog style videos, and all I know, ooh, what is that? Ignore that. I noticed that. Well, I definitely can't do that. I definitely can't do that. My living quarters aren't that, you know, presentable. Well, it's not that it's not presentable. It's just that, well, like a studio tour, like all I have is my desk. Like it's nothing special. But I feel like if, you know, once I upgrade my tech in the future, get a nice, better living space, then I could probably do all those fancy studio tours. But until then, bear with me in my bare bones editing and art, which is, I hope that most of you guys are sticking around for my art, because I know a lot of you guys are here for my artist analysis, but hey, I draw and paint things too. Like, stick around for that, why not, you know? I know my style isn't really, I don't know, like, as I said time and time before, my style is heavily inspired by Ishida Sugi, mainly on the painting side. That's one thing I want to get straight. It's mainly the painting that I take from him. In terms of like the proportion and like the draftsmanship and all that, I would like to say that I try to edge it towards realism, or like the comic book style. God no, I'm not going to do anything like the traditional anime style. And there's nothing wrong with the anime style. I just can't go deep into it. And which is funny, because I used to go heavy on the anime style, but I think I've not outgrown it, but I think I've gotten tired of it. I don't know. I don't know what's the right word for that. Well, for what I'm feeling towards the anime style, but as you can see, like from the type of art that I'm doing with these faces, they're a bit more detailed and rendered and more realistically proportioned. Which is another thing. Recently, I've been finding out on the internet, like, there's a certain art style that's been, I'm not going to say who did this art style or who is this from. I'm not going to give out any names because, no. But there's this art style that's been going around that I see a lot on Instagram, which is always making me confused as to who the artist is. I'm thinking like, oh, this artist did it, but oh wait, it's not. It's a different artist, which is funny because this style that a painting that I see, it's very derivative, and I feel like everyone is doing it. But it's not a bad thing. It's just something I noticed. Like what I said, I've been checking around the art community to see, you know, what tracks have been laid, what things should I follow, trends and so forth and stuff like that. Which is another thing. I don't do art trends, if you guys didn't know. I just can't. The moment art feels forced for me is the moment where I feel like I shut down. Like, what art trends are there? An easy one, Inktober. Everyone knows Inktober, I think. It's like each day of October, people do one Inktober. I tried to do that and I just couldn't. I need to do things at my own pace. There was like something for like mermaid, like drawing mermaids in the month of May, and I tried to do that for like 2 days, didn't. I fell off that. It was the art versus artist thing. I don't have really necessarily a problem with that, but I don't care to show my face that much. Like, my face is definitely around on I think my Instagram, but it's not like I don't feel the need to be like, this is me. That coincides with the Toon Me thing as well, where half of it is your face, half of it is just the drawn version. I didn't care to do that either. And the thing is, for someone like me that's trying to develop like, you know, a following or a fan base, or like, you know, some sort of like build up of people to watch me, I really honestly should be doing art trends. And for any artist that, you know, wants to build like a following, like doing art trends, doing fan art, which I don't do either, these are all methods that do work, and by all means I should be doing. I just don't, and I don't know, like, fine by me. I'll die on this hill alone. Like, I'll do what works for me, but in terms of art trends and all that, I just can't do it. Whatever you do, guys, if you're an artist that wants to build a following, do not do what I do, please. You will not get a lot of followers or subscribers or anything like that. I know without a doubt that is the quickest way. Doing fan art, doing like art trends, and obviously doing not safe for work things too would also give you like fast followers, but I just don't do them. I don't know why. I don't think it's a pride thing. As I said, the moment art feels forced, or I feel like I have to do something that I don't like doing, is the moment where I sort of, you know, like, I just don't do it. But yeah, that's it for this video. It's just mainly me rambling. It's sort of like what's another type of video I've been seeing people doing? It's like a sketch with me type thing, and they just talk while they're sketching in their sketchbooks. Yeah, that's what this video is gonna be. I think I'm gonna probably name it that. So in the title, you're probably gonna see sketch with me, as I put things that I talked about in this video alongside it in the title. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 faces that I did, and look forward to more videos like this in the future, where I'm just drawing and talking, which is that is another series that I did, but it's gonna come back. But we'll see what happens in the future. Anyway, thank you for watching. You could like the video if you want. You could subscribe if you want. You could comment if you want. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, at least. But yeah, do any of that if you want. And I'll see you in the next one.